worth a look-see in. Largest horse statues in the
In a quarter
world.
mile, turn right onto Glensburg.
So we were on M9 and we drove by the Kelpies and had to stop for a quick picture. These are the largest equine statues in the world, and they are 30 meters tall, so it's about 90 feet.
Alright, so here we are. We stop. Hello and welcome back. We are here in Falkirk, Scotland, checking out the largest equine statues in the world. They were unveiled in April of 2014, and these are Kelpies. Kelpies are mythological creatures which are said to exist in Scottish lochs, and they're not friendly creatures either because you hop on their back and they'll take you under. So don't grab the Kelpie without grabbing a hold of the bridle first. They're really big. They're about 30 meters tall. Thanks again for watching. Please check out my books at www.amazon.com/author/David H. Troyer. Have a great day, and we hope to see you in our travels.